Tenant states the washer will fill, but won't do anything else. It will only make a weird noise. So we're going to check the agitator, make sure the barrel spins, and now we're going to check the settings. Make sure it fills up with water, make sure it releases hot water and cold water, and then mix. So it should be spinning right now, but it's just draining the water. It's not doing anything other than, just filling up and draining. It's not agitating or spinning. So we're going to pop the top off, release the door. Alright, once the skeleton's removed, we're going to remove the drain pump. So the motor sits right between the drain pump and the transmission. So once you pull the drain pump out, you can see it's connected through a shaft right to the electric motor. I'm going to pop the electric motor off, take these clamps off, and it's going to fall right on the ground and disconnect all the wires and pull it right out. From there, you can see the coupler that holds the motor to the transmission sheared right off. There's one half, and there's the other half in my hand. You can see all the shrapnel here. Went out to my truck, grabbed a new coupler. We're going to get that all buttoned up. It can be a little time consuming and take some elbow grease, but you have to pound down the new coupler to make sure it sits flush, just like shown here. The next tough part is getting the motor back lined up with transmission. It only took me 2 attempts here, but it can take, 10-15 minutes to actually get them both lined up. It sucks, but that's how it is. Then you just have to get these clamps back on to hold the motor. As you can see, we got movement now. Seems to spin up just okay, and that'll kind of button up this repair.